back at y'all with another video. Said I'm back. Said I'm back with another one. Said I'm back. Said I'm back with another one. I'm back. Said I'm back with another video. Oh my gosh. I need to remix a song or something. I said it a little too much. But yeah, guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm finna show y'all how to slay your edges like this. Nah, I'm just playing, but I'm really finna show y'all how to slay y'all edges. And y'all like my little puff is going on. I don't know, it's getting a little big over here. It's getting a little big. Getting a little volume over here. But yeah, guys, I'm finna show y'all how I slay my edges. Like, I'm talking about a new definition of slay. Like, I probably didn't see this, but this is a new definition of slay for me. And if y'all want to know, then stay tuned and let's go. Go, go, go. Okay, guys, so I had to do something with my puff because it wasn't giving me the volume that I needed. It was kind of flopping over like a puff, like a pineapple, I mean. And, you know, I didn't like that, so I had to, you know, do a little fluff and fluff. And, yeah, and also I had to go, put some lip gloss on because that Vaseline wasn't giving me the shine that I needed. But I'm telling y'all that lip gloss and mascara will change your life, like seriously. But anyways, we're just gonna get back on subject. So yeah, okay, so to start out, what I'm going to take is just a normal, got a rubber band on it, just a normal brush. I'm just going to break down a little bit of edges because I need more. Like, I need some dramatic edges. So I took down a little bit more than my actual edges, but like, I'm not quite into my hair yet because I'm not gonna cut no hair to make no long baby hairs. Like, I'm just gonna have to deal with what I got. Like, who's gonna cut some hair to make some edges? No, not me. I'm just gonna do what I got. Any piece that's over a little too long, then okay. So here we go. I kind of pulled some hair from up there, but it'll be all right. Okay. So I'm taking the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold, and it's really good. It lays down really good. Like, your edges are not gonna come up if you use this, like, at all. But make sure to keep the top on at all times because you know what happens when edge control dries out. Like, no, it's terrible. Okay, so I'm just kind of splitting this in half because, you know, you don't want it to be crooked. So yeah, I just split that in half. So I'm gonna start with this side. So I'm taking some edges and just slicking them down. I usually like to do all of my edges and then start to, you know, maneuver them, but I only do it about halfway and then I stop because I don't want it to dry in. So I had this picture of the edges that I was doing. I had already did them, but I guess I got off of it. So let me just find that real quick.
5 minutes later.
Alright. So I got it. So for the first swoop, we're just going to be a little dramatic here. So I'm looking in the mirror so I can see. So I'm going way out, like way out. And it's cool if you run out of baby hairs because you can always use this hair to, you know, finish the swoop off. Like, you don't have to finish the swoop with just this hair. So yeah, we're being a little extra here. Really big swoop. So then after that, I'm gonna add a little more because I feel like it's drying. So a smaller, less dramatic swoop, but still kind of traumatic. like that. And I'm making sure mine come way out, because I want some pretty dramatic swoops. This is like the first time I really do swoops this big. I usually just stick to, you know, the basic swoops. Okay, so now I'm moving farther down, so I'm going to add edge control to the rest of my pulled out edges. Like that. Yeah, my baby ears, they ain't too bad. They kind of lay down. No, they're not relaxed. See, they're still, you know, somewhat frizzy, but, you know, they're just not bad. So, thankful for the edges that I do have. Some people. Okay. So now that I got my swoops, so I'm going to take a little piece here, and I'm gonna comb back the rest. So y'all see how I pulled at that little one piece, and then I pull back the rest. So this is the difficult part for me, because I be liking my swoops to be big and pretty and perfect. And if you have coily hair like me, you know, your curls ain't that big. Like, for your curls to be like this, you need to have corkscrew curls. So yeah, so if you got real kinky hair, so you gonna have to take some, make sure lay it flat, because it's gonna keep trying to bump up on you and be like smaller coils. So I'm just trying to get it big right now. And I'm really OCD when it comes to, you know, if it's like squiggly or not. So yeah. Okay. So now under that, I'm just going to go ahead and add the last little bit of gel on there at the very end. So right under that swoop, I'm going, oh gosh, I didn't grab that. Jesus Christ. I'm probably gonna have to, probably should have did this swoop first, then went back. But yeah, I'm just doing a little tiny bump right there. Like tiny. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and do my swoop, because I should have known I was gonna have to do the bottom swoop before the top swoop, because I was just gonna keep grabbing it. But I just make sure not to lose the hair though. At least I know the hair I'm using. And then we're just gonna do the same thing. Okay, so I got second swoop done, and y'all can see how it's already coming together. Like, my look is already coming together. Like, lip gloss, mascara, lashes, whatever, and edges. Oh, you got the combo going now. You might as well say you a new person. Like, if you ever look at just jazz it up, throw you on some lip gloss, some mascara. Well, actually, I didn't even put on the mascara. I'm just my lashes. But, and edges. Yes, ma'am. Okay, anyway. Anyways, okay, so now we're down to the last little piece. And I always like to do a little squiggle, because my mama used to be doing that since I was, you know, little. I always thought it was cute. So I just brush all the hair down. I still try to get, you know, some type of swoop at the base. So, like that. It's not big. So, I'm just making little, I don't know, swoops, heels, I guess. Big heels. And I want my swoop to be facing that way, opposite of these. So I'm taking a little bit of Softy Extra Hold Protective Spot, Protein Styling Gel. I was gonna say protective. I don't know what I seen. I was reading it off the screen. I was reading backwards. Okay, so I just put a little bit of that, and that also makes it shine. So once I finish I usually do this after I finish shaping it and doing everything I want, because it makes it shine. Like that. Ooh. And I just wipe off the excess after it dries, because you know it can get a little messy sometimes. So this is what this side looks like, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, or I might not. I might do something different. So this side looks like that, this side looks like this. You never know. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Woo!
So yeah guys, this is what the other side looks like. Obviously not the same. I switched it up a little bit, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.